Hey guys, it's just me.
And me.
And Nick. And we've decided we're not going to do the caravan this episode. We actually want to go away to the Cumberland Caravan Park, don't we?
Yes, we
and
do.
check out the beach and everything. So we're going to go do that. So this video is all about what happens when we go.
Yes.
No rude stuff.
Anyway.
Gee. Anyway, I'm distracted now. Anyway, I hope you like the footage, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Hey guys, right, it's just me. Well, it's actually not. It's Nick as well. Have a look. We are actually on our 27th anniversary holiday, and we've. Did you stick your tongue out at me? I hope not. I'll just show you outside where we are. We are out there. Look at that. If we can get out. Oh my god, I can't get out. Look at this. Look at that view. Look at that. And we got campers down there. So that's where we are. So we are about to go off to the 12 Apostles, aren't we? She's videoing me. Weird. That's just not weird at all. Hey, wait. Nicole.
Yes, we are.
We're off to the 12 Apostles, aren't we?
We're off.
Yep.
And away.
So we're actually not camping, we're glamping, because we've got
glamping, we're not glamping.
this big room.
We are in a cabin. We are not glamping. It's a cabin.
We're yeah. But anyway,
It's
we're sussing out what people do when they go
it's
camping.
got showers. 2 showers.
Yeah, and the fire extinguisher's outside, so if there's a fire inside.
Doesn't have showers.
What?
Nothing.
What's with the stereo eyes? Alright. We'll see ya on the road.
Woohoo!
Do you have to press anything to get out?
Don't know. What do you have to do the code? You have to do the code.
Do you?
Yep.
Oh, really?
Yep. What's the code, honey?
Well, I've got short arms. This is silly. 588599. It's not that, is it? 599588. Knew it was one of them. Why do you gotta press it to get out? Oh, can you go that way?
Yeah. Let me have a little looky-see.
You tell me. Anything
You're,
coming?
nothing's
Right.
coming. You're clear.
It's the ocean.
Oh.
It's a little bit heavy. A little bit windy. And chilly.
Okay. That's enough.
Well, she can't help herself. She sees the ocean, she's got to run towards it. I better follow. And she's videoing it for her Facebook. Let me see if I can zoom up. Nah, I've got to follow her. Shit, she's running like hell. Have a look at her. Oh, let me catch up. Oh. You made it.
Yay! So excited! My feet are
So where are we? Wide River. So that's the rock fishing over there. And you can see all that, and I've dropped my thumb.
I don't want to get my pants wet.
No, you don't. We've still got 2 hours driving yet.
Yes. We're going to the 12 Parkles.
Rightio. Oh, that's freezing cold.
It's not. It's beautiful. Don't believe him. He's lying.
It's cold.
It's not.
All right, we better get back in the car. I'll let her paddle around. Hey guys, we're at the 12 Apostles. You can see him in the background up there, up the top there.
Was it a fun drive? No.
Yeah, a lot of windy, bendy, lots of driving.
Was it worth it? Yes.
But anyway, we finally made it, didn't we? And there's helicopters and everything around.
Take it one here.
There's a helicopter up there somewhere. She's taken off on me. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We can actually see it. What do you think?
Very cool.
It's actually, we finally actually got to do one of the things we wanted to do.
So what is it? Was there a couple there that have gone?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
What's up there? So that is the way you come down, and then look at this gorgy bit down here.
Wow.
And that's pretty... But I'm amazed with this. Look at that. They all look at that and they don't look at this. Seriously. Nah, no one looks at that.
How do you know?
They don't. But look how deep it is down there.
Let's not.
Pretty sure I saw a topless woman down there.
You did not.
Alright guys, Nick's in the car there, and we've got a helicopter right there. I'm just going to watch it take off. Pretty sure they shut the door and everything. Here we go. There it goes. So you can go on rides and see the 12 Apostles. There you go. Alright, we'll go get a cuppa. We're out for lunch, aren't we? We're having lunch. Hey, what are you ordering, Carla?
I'm not sure.
So this is where we are. Bay. There it is there. Alright guys, I've got myself some ribs. Nick's got a parma. What do you think?
It's yummy, but I'm gonna...
She does this all the time, don't you?
Try some of yours.
She always steals my food. Any good?
Yummy.
What was that? Yeah. Hey, what are you doing? Get out. Are you right there? You little shit.
No.
Look at her. She's in a chocolate shop. She's buying bloody everything. Are you buying everything? I think you are. Having a little frenzy, aren't you? Do you really need it?
Hazelnut.
Do you need it?
They look good though.
Oh, everything looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, I want this.
Anything else?
Macadamia nuts. Hang on. They look good too.
Anyway, this is the second time we're in. Whoops. This is the second time we're in the shop, isn't it?
That was you.
The second time.
Second time.
Hey guys, right, we're at the Cumberland Caravan Park. Just going to show you the sights. There's the nice gorge around there. I'm just going to do a full 360. We're staying in that one, number one. And there's there. And here is a beautiful stream. There's lots of ducks. And look, there's an old duck sitting there. You just gave everyone the finger. You nasty bugger. Looks like a frog on a log. And there's ducks over there. And there's lots of wildlife birds. Alright, so that's more or less, we're right on a stream. And everyone's gone because they've got to go by 10:30. So they'll all start coming back about 3 o'clock or something like that. So we're enjoying the water, aren't we? Well, Nick's enjoying having a little dip. Is it nice? Yes. Did you enjoy that holiday?
It was great.
It was, wasn't it? It was relaxing.
Yes. And
very nice.
And we've actually decided that we are going to go back down once the caravan is finished and do 2 weeks down there.
Yes.
So if you guys know of any places that we should definitely have to go and visit, make sure you message Richard, won't you?
Yeah. And we,
or just him.
And we worked out powered sites are actually worth a lot of money, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like they're like $180 for a powered site. So
in some areas.
Yeah, so glad we're going to have a self-sufficient battery-powered caravan. Just makes me realise we should do that. Definitely do that.
Yeah, yeah. It's really hard work for both of us working on this caravan. We both work very hard.
When we were there at night time, everyone had their head torches on and all the rest of it, and I thought, oh, I'm not doing that. No. I actually want a light in the caravan and done properly. Anyway, I hope you liked that episode. That was a good holiday. So, next episode, I'm going to do a lot more work in the caravan, and you'll see more, especially all the work Nick's done. All right, see you guys.